Today we're standing in front of a brand new construction that is almost finished. By saying almost, it's about 90% finished in the heart of Dacula, Georgia.
I'm Adrian.
And I'm Bob.
And we're the Georgia Property Brothers. Folks, if you're looking for new construction and you don't want to wait 6 to 9 months, which is typically what it takes a builder to build a house. In fact, if you're lucky.
If you're lucky, yeah.
If you're lucky, we've got the house for you. This one's in Dacula, Georgia. It is, first of all, super high quality construction, modern finishes, tons of space. It's like 4,300 square feet.
A lot of space.
Great school district, huge, wide, look, you can see around here, wide open lot and space, outstanding location. You've got to have a look at this one. Another thing we want to point out is that this house is surrounded by other luxurious new construction homes. They're all massive, 4, 5, even 6,000 square feet, and they're all sitting on 2+ acre lots, which makes this such a great location for people that are looking to spread out, not have neighbors on top of each other, maybe put a pool in the backyard. I don't know. It's up to you.
The layout of this house is super functional. It's got a big kitchen island. It's got a flex room that could be turned into either a home office, or you could do a little small gym in there, or kind of turn it into a guest room if you want to put people in there to come and visit you. But this house has so much space to it that it is all functional all around.
Yeah, and again, back to the exterior, I should mention that it is gated. There are, electronic gates that are there at the front. And if the right buyer comes along and wants it, the builder did say they would be happy to fence in the yard for him as well. So that's something that they should know. Which, by the way, just as a tip, if you're ever out there looking at new construction homes, especially these like one-offs that these builders are doing, that is always something that's negotiable, right?
Always.
They'll do swimming pools, they'll do fences, they'll do gates, they'll do a lot of things for you to get the house sold, but you have to ask, which is probably why you need a great agent, kind of like us, that can actually help you understand and determine what those things are.
Exactly.
But hey, let's go inside and let's do the rest of this video from in there.
And right now, there's a lot of people asking this question: is it worth buying new construction? Short answer, yes.
And the long answer is still yes.
Still yes.
Here's the deal. Right now, the way that the market is, as of today, it is June 2025. And as the market stands today, resale is a little bit funky, for lack of better terms.
Yes.
And right now we're seeing builders still selling homes, and we're seeing buyers really gravitate towards brand new homes. And part of the reason for that is because most resale homes are going to be older. Mm-hmm. They're outdated. Mm-hmm. They haven't gotten new floors, new tile, fresh paint. A lot of them just don't have what people consider today to be modern looking and feeling, and modern finishes and stuff like that. And builders do. And builders are also able to be very competitive with their pricing. Mm-hmm. They're able to be super competitive with incentives. We're seeing builders out there paying a ton in closing costs. They're offering free upgrades. They're offering interest buy down rate. I may have said that wrong. And you get what I'm saying? They're paying thousands of dollars to buy down interest rates for buyers, because let's face it, interest rates are still considered to be super high today. So yes, that is the long answer. Buyers are still buying homes, new construction, at a very high rate, and it's for all of those reasons that I just said.
And to add upon what he just explained, the long answer continues, where the best part about buying a brand new constructed home is a brand new HVAC system. You're not getting a house that has a 20-year-old HVAC system, not even 10 years old. It is yours. You can maintain it from the beginning. Plumbing is brand new. Everything is new. So you don't have to worry about something breaking in the first 3 to 4 months, or even in the second day when you move in. Sometimes these things just happen.
Yeah, most new construction homes, I mean, this is just my number, so there's no actual studies or data around this, but I look at a new construction home and go, you've got probably 5 really good years without maintenance.
Yep.
You're not worried about your microwave breaking down, your toilets exploding, all the things that Bob said.
Well, we don't know what you're doing, but yeah, they shouldn't be.
Not gonna touch that one, but you get what I'm saying. You get what I'm saying. Like you said, you got the warranties, and it's really a lot of worry-free, stress-free living for several years. And that's kind of attractive to a lot of buyers.
It is, especially in today's market.
Yep.
And the great benefit for the home that we're sitting in right now is that this home is almost complete. That extra 10% is just a few weeks out. So you're not gonna have to wait for this house to be constructed and finished months from now. You can literally move in before summer is even over.
They'll be ready in time before the new school year, way before the holidays come.
Way before.
Yeah, ready to go. Let's roll. This is your spot right here. You just got to call us. We're happy to give you a private tour, show you around. Now, give us a few more weeks because we want to make sure it's 100% finished. Like right now, there's not even a stove over there, just a big hole. That's okay.
Yeah.
The stove is over there for some reason, but we're going to move it. We're going to put it right over there. I promise you.
Yeah.
So give us just a couple more weeks. But in the meantime, if you guys are looking for a home in the Dacula area, you're relocating from out of town, or you're just moving from in town and wanting to be with a little more wide open space around here, you gotta call us. This is a perfect house. It fits so many different buyers' needs. I don't want to get into it, but it fits everybody's needs.
It fits everybody's needs indeed.
Yeah. So look, once again, I'm Adrian.
And I'm Bob.
And we're the Georgia Property Brothers. We're here for you. Give us a call anytime.
Click that subscribe button, everybody. We'll see you next time.
See you guys.